So should fire stopping products be installed by a third-party contractor? Whilst it is not law or regulation at this point that fire stopping products or passive fire protection products should be installed by a certified third party, it has been proven to be a good way of ensuring that installations are carried out by certified and competent individuals. The main purpose of the Building Safety Act is to ensure compliance. The principal main contractor will need to demonstrate or declare to the building safety regulator that individuals working on a project are qualified and certified to undertake the task on site. What is third-party certification? Third-party certification is a way of businesses obtaining certification for their business. It ensures that the company is verified, it ensures that it is regularly audited, and it ensures that it is competent to undertake installations according to regulation requirements and best practices. So why is this important? Approved Document B states that under the independent third-party certification and accreditation, independent schemes of certification and accreditation of installers can provide confidence that the required level of performance for a system, product, components or structure can be achieved. Building control bodies may accept certification under such schemes as evidence of compliance with the relevant standard. However, a building control body should establish before the start of the building work that a scheme is adequate for the purposes of the building regulations. In today's industry, the importance of service penetration sealing is starting to become recognized, particularly the need for installing tested solutions and the precise and accurate way that these should be installed. Third-party accreditation provides a client with the security that the company chosen to undertake the installation can be trusted to complete the task. It physically demonstrates that the company has obtained the relevant knowledge and training and is competent to install fire stopping products. So as a result, it not only enhances the reputation of the company, but it also makes them a reliable or credible source of information, which makes them stand out in the industry. However, we do believe at Quelfire that reliance on third-party certified installations is not advisable because fire stopping installers are not fire engineers, and the design of compliant and tested solutions within your building would normally be done at an early stage of the project. This would normally be done at what we call an early engagement stage, so with possibly the MEP designer, the architect, the main contractor, etc., and would not often be down to the fire stopping contractor to design suitable fire stopping systems. So if you have any further questions with regards to the installing of products by third-party certified installers, please don't hesitate to reach out to us by phone or send an email to sales@quelfire.co.uk. Thank you.